How you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Today we are looking at Matsuri, yet another opportunity on the digits marketplace. I'm going to walk you guys through what to do to win a whitelist spot. I'm also going to do a quick review of what this project actually is. Now, off the top of my head, we only have 15 spots available, so you definitely want to bring out your digits coins and try your best to go ahead and get yourself a spot. So what is Matsuri? Why is this NFT collection so interesting? And how can you make a profit out of this? Or just really enjoy all of the utility that this utility NFT has to offer. So let's get started with the website and a little bit of info. Matsuri is a collection of 1,555 NFTs on the ETH blockchain. They have a lot of utility, which we're going to go over in just a bit. They say here our utility is an ETH alpha caller bot, which will be added to over 100 alpha groups. Our partnership chains as well. So all of our holders will have access to dozens closed ETH mints calls. Okay, so basically the NFT will give access to a bot that they developed, which will give alpha calls. So that's pretty interesting. They do have a bunch of other utility that isn't listed on the website, but I do have it on my document. So we're going to go over that in just a second here. They also do have a story for those of you guys who really do enjoy that lore and that vibe to the NFTs. Now, talking about vibe, we have a little bit of an anime, cartoony-ish looking feel, which do really well in the current climate. So I'm always a bit excited when I see this type of art style. So yeah, looking really good. I do like the art overall. It's not really my style personally, but I do see a lot of people really enjoying this. Looks a little bit like Genshin, or are you guys going to butcher me for that? I mean, I'm not a hardcore gamer, right? But I definitely don't play anything Japanese styled, but I do know that it's very popular. So there's that. We do have a roadmap, which is currently looking quite amateuristic over here, but I mean, hey, it's an NFT collection in a bear market. We're not going to roast how the roadmap looks, right? We're not about to roast designs. Create a Matsuri community. So that is the first thing on their roadmap. Now, they don't put any dates down or whether it's finished or not. So we have no idea whether they already finished doing this and if not, when they are planning on. But this is their first goal, at least. The second goal will be the Matsuri call bot is ready and fully working. After mint, this utility will be instantly available. So instant utility, of course, very important for the floor price of these NFTs. Hoping that the holders will actually hold on to their NFT to make use of their utility instead of selling it right away. Number 3, we already have partnerships with 10 alpha groups and offer mint our goal to add 100 alpha groups to the Matsuri call bot. And within a few weeks after mint, we will add mirroring of valuable alpha service for Matsuri holders. Okay, so community, alpha bot release, and then immediately after they will work on the alpha bot to make it a little bit better. Here we have the team. It does not look like they are doxed. We do not have a full name, but we also don't really have any background, so we don't really know anything about the team, which if you've watched any of my reviews is always a bit of a negative. So I would really look out for this. If you don't like investing in NFT projects that don't have a doxed team, then this is not for you. But on the other hand, I do believe that this is quite a cheap NFT collection to get into. So the stakes are not that high anyways. The resolution is also not that high of this. They do have an FAQ. When mint? Of course, a very popular question here. The date is currently to be announced, but very soon, stay tuned. You can follow their social media to stay up to date regarding the mint. They have a Discord and a Twitter. Of course, the ETH blockchain. How to whitelist? Well, you're watching the right video. Just simply use the digits marketplace for that. Is the team doxed? The team will be doxed privately to a launchpad. Okay, so that kind of ties into what I was saying earlier. It's a little motorcycle here. The team will be doxed, but just not right off the bat. So for all of those of you who do really care about a doxed team, they will be on a launchpad. I guess this is still to be determined as well. When is the bot alpha? It's already deployed and fully working, and we will be available for Matsuri holders instantly after the mint. Okay, so they're selling you a finished product that is instantly available, which is why I think this NFT collection is quite interesting. Okay, so let's move over here and actually take a quick look at the Matsuri Alpha call bot provides to see what exactly does this bot do for you, because of course this is the main utility of this NFT. Calls from 10 alpha callers with high revenue statistics from their team. Okay, so there will be 10 alpha callers, okay, but will instantly call 100 plus alpha groups and DAOs, and each will provide a minimum of 4 calls every month. So you can have a chance to get accurate information about that project if it's going to grow and pump. As they claim, they will have a team of moderators who will check all the calls and exclude scams and post only the valid information. The list of all callers, alpha groups, and DAOs will be publicly published, so you can check by yourself all of the information. And then also, they don't want to limit themselves and their members with only an alpha bot. They will announce their next utility, which will be the mirror bot. They want the mirror... what does it say? They want to mirror some valuable alpha groups to their holders. For the start, they brought Mirror Alpha Pass, and their alpha will soon be available on their Discord for IJOs. Okay, for OG, sorry. Okay, so that's actually quite interesting information. So they don't just provide pretty cool looking anime type of NFTs with the instantly available alpha bot utility. They're also going to be working on other utilities such as the mirror bot. So yeah, that's pretty exciting so far. Over here on their Twitter, they have quite the following for such a early startup project. They have 21,000 Twitter followers. As you can see over here, their engagement is pretty significant. Over 1,500 impressions here on this tweet with nearly 200 likes. And as you can see, as we scroll down, that seems to be quite a trend. Now, I did not verify whether these were botted or not, but considering that there's so much chatting going on, it definitely looks like at least a majority of these guys are real people. So that actually looks like they have quite an active community and certainly have some engagement on their social platforms. Now, moving over to their Discord, just to check real quick. Let's stay here for now. Let's see. Okay, so they have around 18,000 members in their Discord. So very, very large following, which of course is a very important element. So let's talk about the mint real quick. Damn, I'm getting all these messages. My bad, guys. Let's talk about the mint real quick. The announce date is to be announced, so we don't have that one right now, but we are giving away the whitelist already. We have 15 whitelists. All you got to do is quickly move over to the Digits Marketplace and just remove this real quick. Make sure you have your agent staked. And we also have Dream Beats right now, if you're interested. So just move over to Matsuri. We have the bidding going on right here. There's still one spot free for just 1 coin. And after that, you guys are going to have to start bidding against each other. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for joining in. And I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, ciao.